Hey everybody, this is Scott Rulon and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can receive important new information on a weekly basis about how to build your digital business online. Today I just want to talk about one of the three P's. The three P's, of course, being physical, personal, and professional. So we're going to talk about how to invest in yourself. So welcome to 9 Ways to Invest in Yourself, or as I like to call it, 9 Habits of the Highly Successful. While most people practice a couple of these habits, few put them into a power-packed system for success. Sure, I know this list is large, being 9, and is not always accomplishable in one day, but what I want you to imagine is the following. Improving yourself 1% each day will actually help you get to a point where you can improve yourself 365% each year. And just think in leap years, you get a bonus of 1% that year. So don't forget to be a 1%er, and you can be one. Changing yourself each day is the greatest key to creating personal, professional, and physical success. Even if you forget a day, don't beat yourself up. Improve 1% by not doing it next time. So before we get into the 9 ways to invest in yourself, please look at the description field below and take on the 15-day challenge, or get a read from Jeff Lerner's new book, Unlock Your Potential. You can learn a lot about life and how to head forward in your digital business and your mindset by reading Jeff's book. I'm about 3/4 of the way through, and it is absolutely fascinating. So on with the 9 ways to invest in yourself. What can you do? You can wake up 3 minutes earlier each day. Use those 3 minutes to stretch, get a drink of water, do a little back exercise. What a great thing. One of the things I do is I read for 20 minutes each day, sometimes even more. Sometimes I like to listen to an audiobook and read it at the same time so I can improve my retention. I can set a goal for the month. Set one that's manageable and smart. Smart goal is one that's measurable. Don't set up high in the sky, but set ones you can do by several steps. What else can you do? You can save $10 a day. You know, maybe you give up a Starbucks coffee or a candy bar or an extra snack. $10 a day, that's $300 at the end of the month. Or in a 31-day month, that's $310. What a great way to invest in yourself. Obviously, as we've talked about, you can push yourself to improve 1% each day. With those extra 3 minutes you're catching each day, you can exercise for 30 minutes a day and be ready to attack the day. Another healthy habit is, guess what? Spend 30 minutes less on each of your electronic devices. Believe it or not, it's possible. You can also skip fast food for 30 days, or even listen to an education podcast. What a great thing to do. Make these small changes every day for the next month. So in review, exercise for 30 minutes a day. Read for 20 minutes a day. Skip fast food for 30 minutes. Or for 30 days, rather. Wake up earlier. Wake up 3 minutes earlier each day. Push yourself to improve 1% per day. Save $10 a day. That's $300 by the end of the month. Spend 30 minutes each day on your electronic devices. Podcasts. Listen to an educational podcast for 30 minutes a day. Micro goals. Set a goal for the month and break it into smaller daily and weekly goals. And I know I talked about 9, but since you are a great audience, I want to give you bonus number 10. Do something creative for 30 minutes a day. What a great way to think about ways to be creative and to expand your universe. Making small changes each day leads to more significant changes over time. Taking on challenges like this is a great way to invest in yourself and become more valuable. Try this challenge and let me know how it goes. So, a couple other recommended readings: Unlock Your Potential, the new book by Jeff Lerner. Take a look. Or go to Legendary Marketer and learn more about how to build a business step by step online. Again, this is Scott Rulon, and don't forget to hit that wonderful bell icon so you can receive future videos on your time, not mine.